Summer glow up on a budget. Hey bestie, if you're ready for a summer glow up that doesn't break the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into free and affordable glow up tips to feel cute, confident, and refreshed inside and out. So grab your iced coffee and let's glow up together. Tip 1. Deep clean your space. A tidy room equals a clear mind. Open the windows, blast some music, and reset your space. It's free, and you'll feel 10x more motivated. Tip 2. The $0 outfit upgrade. Try switching up your usual look, maybe puffy jeans, layer necklaces, or style your hair differently. Even shopping your own closet can give you a fresh new vibe. Tip 3. Create a feel-good playlist. A personal hype playlist instantly boosts your mood. Bonus points for dancing around while you clean or get ready. Skincare and self-care. The natural way. Affordable skincare. One of my fave budget skincare hacks. Cold green tea as a toner. It's anti-inflammatory and soothing and practically free if you already have tea bags. DIY self-care idea. Mix honey and cinnamon for a quick glow face mask. It's antibacterial, smells amazing, and helps calm breakouts. Stay hydrated inside and out. Fill a cute water bottle with lemon slices or cucumber. Hydration is key to glowing skin, plus it feels like a spa moment. Confidence boosting habits. Posture and presence stand tall, even when you don't feel like it. Your body language can instantly shift how people and you see you. Talk to yourself nicely. Start your day with 3 compliments in the mirror. Seriously, say it like you mean it. You deserve that kind of energy. Wear what makes you feel good, not what's trendy, but what makes you smile. Whether that's thrifted vintage, athleisure, or Y2K glam rocket. How to glow mentally plus visibly. Mental glow up. Goals. Clarity by journaling just 5 minutes in the morning. Write your thoughts, goals, or even just doodle. Mental space is part of your glow. Walks in nature or sunlight. A daily walk, even 10 minutes, can improve mood, skin, and sleep. It's like charging your soul. Protect your peace and follow accounts that drain you. Curate your social feed like a vision board. Inspiring, positive, and fun. A glow up isn't about changing who you are, it's about coming home to yourself. So whether you try just one of these tips or all of them, remember, the most powerful glow comes from how you treat yourself. You are already magic.